We love sweet retreats.
Retreats.
We love sweet retreats.
So this has been an amazing week of aerial silks and adventure. We've had a brilliant time exploring the local area, but also working out really hard and having huge amounts of fun with a beautiful group of people. The food has been amazing. The aerial silks has been really well balanced between those people who have done loads before and people like me who've never done it. And I feel like I've learnt so much, built so much skills and strength and knowledge, and had an absolute blast. So huge thanks, Sweet Retreats. It's been brilliant.